All right, folks, we're going to change this NPP solenoid that for the switchable exhaust on this C6. 2008, my switchable exhaust stopped working. I already did the remote battery from my previous video you might have seen. I tried, here's the genuine part. There'll be a link down below in my description to this part on Amazon. Appreciate your likes and subscribes. What we're going to do is we're going to take out, I did this once because I tried to fix my broken one and then I just waited for the part to show up. So what we're going to do is we're going to take out both the rear tail lights on the passenger side. So that's what we'll do right now. Hang on one sec. Okay, guys, remember one screw up top here takes out the tail light that goes to this tab. We got them both out, one Phillips head screw, and then we're going to go inside as we did before. We're going to get under here, under this dust cover. I got to pull this pin. Oh, there goes my light. Hang on one second. Okay, we're going to pull this pin here, which removes the dust cover, and then we can get to our solenoid. Hang on one second. Okay, guys, I used my trim tools, and I pulled that plug. Can you see that? You can actually get under the dust cover and pull it, the whole thing, so it just stays with the dust cover. You see that pin? It's out. Okay. Then I did pull the top hose off already, if you can see that. Let's get that top hose. You see it here? Here it is. I pulled that top hose off because it was covering the duct shield. But once you get underneath there, remember we're going to pull this thing off of its mounting clip. See how it was? I pulled it off. See the clip here where my finger is? That was on the metal thing where the other finger is moving. So you pull that off, and that gives you the ability to lift this thing up. And now we can peel the wire. You're basically just going to peel that wire off the plug clip, and we'll remove the bottom nipple. Remember to WD-40 these. I already did mine the last time because remember I tried to fix my broken one, didn't work. I'm hoping this is the solution, this new one. If it's not, I'm going to be a little irritated, but I'll let you know. All right, so I'm going to peel the wire off, pull the other plug, and then we're going to pop the new guy in. Hang on. Okay, guys, quick tip on peeling this wire off. That little sucker is it almost helps to kind of pull it towards you a little bit first. For some reason, let me see if I can show you this. This is tight quarters for... So this thing, maybe I can get this thing up in view better. Anyway, this thing's got kind of a notch. See it right here where my thumbnail's going? It's almost like you have to pull it out of a notch this direction down and then peel it off, kind of like you're peeling a wrapper off a pack of gum or something. But yeah, it kind of is maybe notched in there a little bit. You'll get it. Just, tug on it maybe towards downward here, just towards my thumb, and then off, and then unwrap it. All right. So the new one came with the metal bracket, but we obviously aren't going to swap that out. We're just going to peel it off that metal bracket. And here's my old one. Now I had vacuum, so I'm a little concerned this thing is good, and I have another issue. But hopefully this solves it. We'll find out shortly. All right, I'm going to reverse this, plug it all in, and go from there. So remember, it goes in this way. I'm moving the metal clamp off, plugging everything in. It's going to be 2 seconds from here, so I'll wrap it up in a second. Okay, guys, I wrapped the clip back on there, if you can see that correctly with focus. So that's how it goes. And then see the clip on the metal? That's going to go down on the left side. So we're going to go back in now. Let me drop that in the hole and see if I can clip that on for you. Live action. Let's see here. All right, so here we go. Going back in the hole. I got my light kind of in the way. Let me see if I can move that out of the way a little bit. All right, where is that thing? Thing's disappeared on me. Oh, here it is. All right, you see the metal clip in the distance there? All right, so we're gonna slide her onto that. You can kind of do it by feel. Here's the metal clip. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to do the nipples first and then click it on. That's what I'm supposed to do. All right, I need 2 hands. Hang on. Okay, guys, you see that? I put on the back nipple already. Here, the wire first, the back nipple. Then I clipped it in. You just slide it on until it seats. Get it good and seated. Make sure it clips on. And then I'm going to put the dust cover back down. And then I'll put the last nipple on over that dust cover. And then we'll plug the little plug back into the hole and we'll be done. All right, I hope that helps you guys. Again, link down to the part below. I will give you an update in the comments below if this was the solution. It better be. Talk to you guys later. Take care. Again, this is a 2008 C6. This is the mild to wild remote exhaust. Hopefully this is the solution, the solenoid. Take care.